Hi, I'm James Croft. Today, we're going to be talking about the Assignments tool in Connect. The Assignments tool is a simple but powerful assessment tool that lets you receive student work, mark it, and then send it back to students, all via Connect. Let's take a look. To start, we're at the Assignment Submission Folders page. Here, we can see all the current submission folders in our unit. Click the New Folder button to create a new assignment submission folder. To begin, we'll enter a name for our folder. Next, we'll choose whether this is an individual submission folder in which students submit their own files and are assessed individually, or a group submission folder in which any member of a group can submit files to a group folder and the members are given a common grade. Make sure your groups are already set up before creating a group submission folder. You can assign a submission folder a category, which allows you to organize similar folders together. You can associate it with a grade item, which allows you to capture the result from this submission folder and include it as a part of a student's summative assessment in the Grades tool. You can assign it an out of score, which is a numerical value to evaluate the submission folder against. If you do associate the submission folder with a grade item, it's highly recommended to match the value of the out of score with the linked grade item's max points value. This creates a consistent result in the Grades tool. Let's also give this submission folder some instructions. This is the task that you want your students to complete. In your instructions, it's also good practice to specify what files and deliverables you'd like in return from your students. We can also attach files, audio, or video to this submission folder. This can help if you have a template file or files that you'd like your students to download, fill out, and return as a part of their task. Now let's also look at additional submission options. You can choose whether a student can submit multiple files or just a single file per submission. You can also choose whether a student can submit multiple times with all submissions kept, multiple times but only the most recent submission is kept, or only submit a single time. Finally, if you'd like to be notified immediately when a student uploads a submission, you can enter a notification email address. You can also put in more than one address, as long as they are comma separated. When you're happy, click Save and Close. Your assignment submission folder is now active and ready to be added to your content area.